Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook memories not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Facebook apps, tap on this. Next, tap on this icon. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear Facebook data. Now go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Search here Facebook. Your Facebook apps is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Facebook. Tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Now go back. You can see here memories. Tap on this. You can see that your old memories 1 year ago. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.